Hello, my lovely foodies. Welcome back. I am your Bakasur Mama, Ritika. This recipe is inspired by the stuffed capsicum recipe. I thought of replacing the stuffing from potatoes to cheese and some cream. So I named this recipe as Cheesy Snacky Bell Peppers in Bakasur Mama style. So if you love cheesy baked stuff, I'm sure you're going to love this recipe. So let's get cooking. To make this cheesy snacky bell peppers, of course, you will need bell peppers. Now you can take the green bell peppers or capsicum. I had these beautiful red, orange, yellow bell peppers. So I'm going to use this today. Along with that, some cream cheese, about 100 grams. I'm also going to need some sour cream, which is 150 grams. A half of cup of corn, this is sweet corn frozen, a teaspoon of paprika or red chili flakes, a tablespoon of green chives and spring onion, a teaspoon of onion powder and a teaspoon of garlic powder. And these are the ingredients we need to make our snacky bell peppers. So let's move on to the chopping board. Take a bell pepper and cut it from the center. Do not remove the heads of your bell pepper. It's going to give the stability when we bake them. Give a slit on the side where you see the seeds. Pull out the seeds and the stem inside. Your seeds will be detached. Just dust off the bell pepper and you'll have all your seeds out. Continue the same process with all your bell peppers. Do not remove the heads, just de-seed them and devein them. I have used the small size bell peppers. You could totally use the big and large ones which we regularly get in our local stores. Once you have de-seeded all the bell peppers, place them into a bowl. I am going to season my bell peppers with some salt. I am using pink Himalayan salt. You could totally use any table salt or regular salt in your kitchen. Give your bell peppers a good mix and set them aside. Now let's make the filling. In a clean bowl, add 150 grams of your sour cream. Sour cream these days is easily available. If you do not have it in your grocery store, you can buy it online. Add 100 grams of cream cheese. I'm using the non-salted cream cheese. If you want, you can use cheese spreads or you can also use the triangle salted cheese we get these days in the market. If you are using salty cheese, make sure you adjust the salt as per the taste. Add in the rest of the ingredients, starting with some corn. I have taken frozen corn here. Add the red chili flakes, the green onion and the green chives, same sum for garnish, the garlic powder, the onion powder, and now use your clean hands and give it a good mix. Your warm hands will help the cheese melt in such a way that everything gets mixed well. Give it a real good mix so that all our ingredients marry each other and give us the best taste possible. Check salt at this stage. If you need salt, add in a little. I added a little more black pepper as I needed it to be a little more spicy. Give this mixture a one last mix and then it's ready to be stuffed. Our stuffing is ready. So let's stuff the bell peppers. Stuff the bell peppers generously till they are filled till the top. Add some excess so that it's really cheesy and gooey. Once done, set them aside in a baking tray to bake. Stuff all the bell peppers with equal amount of filling. Simultaneously, I had already preheated my oven at 180 degrees Celsius and kept it ready for the capsicums to bake. My bell peppers are now ready, stuffed and waiting to go in the oven. But wait, not yet. I'm gonna make this more cheesy. I have some chopped mozzarella here. I'm going to top each of my capsicum with this mozzarella cheese. Place a generous amount of mozzarella on top of each bell pepper. The mozzarella cheese is going to give a skin which is crispy on top and gooey inside, which is going to take our bell peppers to the next level. No need to grease the pan as the bell peppers will never stick on the base. Add the leftover green onions and the green chives that we saved and top it up on each bell pepper to garnish it before we bake them. These already look so good to eat. But no, we cannot eat them as of now. We have to bake them. So yes, they are ready to be baked. So place them into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Once done, they'll look like this. They have a crispy mozzarella skin on top with a gooey, cheesy center filling. To add some tang to my bell peppers, I garnish my bell peppers with some chopped up cherry tomatoes with some cilantro. You could just start eating right away, or you could garnish them further, just like I did. This was a super hit recipe at my place, so do give it a try. So if you have enjoyed this recipe, do hit that like button. If you want me to grow and see more recipes, do hit the subscribe button. Comment if you have any special requests for me, and I will see you with another recipe. This is your Bakasur Mama Ritika signing off.